The journey to conquer space, from the moon to satellites. Script English version. Duration: approximately 10 minutes, PART 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. The beginning of humanity's dream to fly into space. Music: gentle, classical tones, symbolizing the eternal dream of reaching the stars. Visuals: the night sky, twinkling stars, and images of early rockets. Narration: since ancient times, humankind has gazed at the heavens, wondering, can we ever reach beyond that endless sky? The dream of touching the stars has lived in the hearts of generations, and in the 20th century, that dream finally took flight, marking the dawn of the space age. PART 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. The first steps of mankind. Music: bold and energetic, capturing the visuals. Historical footage of the space race between the USA and the Soviet Union. Narration: in 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite ever to orbit Earth. It marked the beginning of a new era. Humanity had sent its first object beyond our atmosphere. Only 4 years later, on April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space aboard Vostok 1. He orbited the Earth once, opening the door to the cosmos for all humankind. Soon after, the United States joined the race, launching the Apollo program, with one daring goal: to land humans on the moon. PART 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. The Apollo era. A giant leap from deep and solemn, filled with awe. Visuals: footage of Apollo 11 and Neil Armstrong's first step on the moon. Narration: on July 20th, 1969, billions watched as Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. Declared. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The Apollo 11 mission was a triumph of science, engineering, and human courage. In the years that followed, 5 more Apollo missions successfully landed on the moon, returning with hundreds of kilograms of lunar rocks and priceless data. Humanity had proven that no dream is too far if we dare to reach for it. PART 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. After the moon, living in space. Music got calm and thoughtful, symbolizing human perseverance. Visuals: space stations, astronauts floating, experiments aboard IS. Narration: from Scala Mia to the International Space Station, astronauts from many nations began living and working together in orbit. Experiments aboard the ISS have helped us understand human health in zero gravity, new materials, and space technologies, paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. For the first time, Earth had citizens who truly lived among the stars. Part 5, 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Satellites, the eyes of Earth. Music: modern, high-tech tones. Visuals: satellites orbiting Earth, global communication, weather forecasting, and GPS mapping. Narration: today, thousands of artificial satellites orbit our planet. But their purpose is not only exploration, they are here to serve life on Earth. Satellites enable global communication, broadcasting, internet, and navigation. They help forecast the weather, monitor natural disasters, and track climate change. Some observe ships, planes, and even agricultural fields, creating a data revolution that connects every corner of the world. Through satellites, we see our planet as one, fragile, yet beautiful. Partes, las 9, las 10, the future, humanities. Next step: music, hopeful and inspiring. Visuals: SpaceX Starship, NASA Artemis, Mars rovers, futuristic colonies. Narration: today, the dream of space has entered a new age. Humanity is preparing to return to the moon with NASA Issei Artemis program, and to one day set foot on Mars. Every satellite, spacecraft, and mission we launch brings us closer to understanding the universe and ourselves. The journey into space never truly ends. Each rocket that rises from Earth is another step toward the stars. Closing message. The universe is vast, but the human spirit is even greater. From the first satellites to the footprints on the moon, we have shown that we were not born just to live on Earth, but to explore the infinite beyond. Welcome, fellow explorers. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey, tracing humanity's footsteps from the dusty plains of the moon to the intricate web of satellites that now orbit our planet. It's a story of relentless curiosity, groundbreaking innovation, and a shared dream to reach beyond our atmosphere. Think back to the sheer audacity of those early missions. The moon, once a distant, silent observer, became a tangible destination. The images of those first footprints on lunar soil weren't just photographs. They were powerful testaments to what we can achieve when we dare to dream big and work together. It was a monumental leap, proving that the seemingly impossible was within our grasp. But our cosmic adventure didn't stop there. As our understanding grew, so did our ambition. We realized that beyond the moon lay a vast expanse, teeming with possibilities. This led to the development of satellites, those silent sentinels that have revolutionized our lives in ways we often take for granted. From the weather forecasts that help us plan our days to the GPS that guides us on our travels, satellites are the invisible threads connecting us. They enable instant global communication, allowing us to share ideas, connect with loved ones across continents, and access a universe of information at our fingertips. They are the eyes that monitor our planet, helping us understand climate change, track natural disasters, and protect our precious ecosystems. This evolution, from planting a flag on another celestial body to creating an invisible network that encircles our world, is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a continuous narrative of pushing boundaries, solving complex challenges, and building upon the successes of those who came before us. Each satellite launched, each mission accomplished, adds another chapter to this ongoing saga of exploration and discovery. The journey to conquer space is far from over. It inspires us to look up, to question, and to continue innovating. It reminds us of our shared responsibility to explore our universe wisely and to use the knowledge we gain for the betterment of all. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic voyage. If you found this exploration inspiring, consider following along for more journeys into the wonders of our universe. Documentary script, 20 minutes. Mars, the red planet mystery. Amid the endless darkness of space, a glowing red point captures our imagination. Mars. For thousands of years, ancient civilizations like the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks watched this wandering star and named it the Star of War. But to modern humanity, Mars represents something far greater: the dream of discovery and the hope of a new frontier beyond Earth. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, positioned between Earth and the asteroid belt. The average distance between Mars and Earth is 225 million kilometers, ranging from 54.6 million at its closest to 401 million kilometers at its farthest. A year on Mars lasts 687 Earth days, almost twice the length of a year on our home planet. Mars has a diameter of 6,779 kilometers, just 53% of Earth's. Its mass is only 10.7%. That of Earth, and surface gravity is 38% of what we feel on Earth. The weaker gravity allows dust and sand to be lifted easily by winds, creating giant dust storms that can engulf the entire planet for weeks. Mars shares a similar internal structure with Earth, consisting of a metallic core, a silicate mantle, and a basaltic crust. But its smaller size caused its core to cool and solidify faster, leading to the loss of its global magnetic field. Without this protection, solar wind stripped away much of its atmosphere over billions of years. Towering volcanoes like Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest, stand as colossal relics of a once fiery, geologically active world. The Martian surface is blanketed in iron oxide dust, giving it its signature red color. Temperatures swing dramatically, reaching up to 20 degrees Celsius during the day, but dropping to minus 120 degrees Celsius at night. Gigantic landscapes stretch across the planet, such as Valles Marineris, a Cañón Nober, 4,000 kilometers long and 7 kilometers deep, dwarfing Earth's Grand Canyon. Magnificent, yet lifeless, Mars remains a silent world, frozen in time. Mars's atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, 95%, with nitrogen and argon. Without an ozone layer, ultraviolet radiation from the sun strikes directly onto the surface. The air pressure is only 0.6% of Earth's, making liquid water unstable. It either evaporates or freezes instantly. At the poles, frozen carbon dioxide and water ice form strange, shimmering caps, creating alien winters unlike any on Earth. Could life exist, or once have existed, on Mars? Rovers have discovered evidence of ancient riverbeds, water-based minerals, and traces of methane gas, possibly from microbial activity. Although no current life forms have been confirmed, signs suggest that Mars once had oceans, a dense atmosphere, and a warm climate, perhaps a cradle for primitive life. Billions of years ago. Mars formed about 4.6 billion years ago, alongside Earth and the other planets of our solar system. In its youth, Mars was volcanically active and may have supported liquid water on its surface. But being smaller, it cooled faster. Its magnetic field faded, and its atmosphere was gradually stripped away by the solar wind. From a potentially habitable world, Mars transformed into the cold, barren desert we know today. Since the 1960s, humanity has launched dozens of missions to study Mars. Upcoming missions like NASA's Artemis program, SpaceX's Starship, and the Mars Sample Return project aim to bring us closer to setting the first human foot on the red planet. The dawn of a new era, though cold and distant, Mars reflects the boundless spirit of humanity, the will to explore, to endure, and to dream. One day, when Earth can no longer sustain us, this red world may become our second home. The journey to Mars is not only a quest for survival, but also a mirror reflecting who we truly are, explorers reaching for the stars. Music, deep, orchestral, and atmospheric, combining mystery, wonder, and hope. Final shot. Fade out with the text, Mars, the red frontier, produced by your name or channel name.